Hello, this is Lucas and Brian, and welcome to another video. This video, we're coming to another cubing competition. This is the second one this month.
哎，对，然后这里，好，来，哥哥继续往上，继续往上。哎，恭喜，这样一人一个。比赛就开始了。参赛编号1到5号，1到。
I just competed in 3x3 and I got an 11, a 12, a 14, 15, and a corner twisted 17. So that's like a 14 average. I don't know if it's gonna be in the second round, I think so. But we just bought a GAN timer and a X-Man Cube. So we're gonna unbox it later. So that's it. Yeah. Currently unboxing the X-Man Cube. Setup tools. And this is the main cube. It's a very small cube. It looks very small. This cube, it's in a very weird shape. Like the core is very, like the center is very intense, and the corners are very wide. Okay, so out of the box, it's very newbie. The first turns. It's better than my old cube. It's actually pretty good at turning. So that's it. So we finished 2x2 and Brian got an 8, 11, and 12, and I think I got a PB average. I think it's like a low 4, and Brian got like a high 10. And we sat with each other, and our scrambles were exactly the same. And I think that's a really cool experience.
Got a 8 and 11 and 12, and that is pretty bad. Really bad. I messed up the second phase. I did the wrong thing.
So now we're gonna eat brunch because we missed breakfast because we were driving a car to here. So now we're going to go eat brunch. I think it's gonna be some like random toast or something, like with like pork. It should be really good. So I bought the Super R3MV2 for like 400 NTD. Now I'm going to open it. This is the tools. This is the main cube. I'm gonna open it right now. Okay, so this is the cube. Finally unboxed it. It's so much lube. Like my hands just lube. Okay, so cube first glance is very shiny. I think it's coated with like UV coating. These are first turns. That's very fast. Okay, I moved. It's actually very fast. I really like this.
Cube number 1 to 100, please.
Okay, so I just finished day 1, and I finished Pyraminx, Skube, and OH. Pyraminx, I got a very bad average. It was like a 9 average. And Skube, I don't really do Skube, so I got like a 15 average and an 11 single, which is, I guess, a PR. It's very decent for me. And I did OH, the cutoff was 30 seconds, and I got a 31, which I missed cutoff by 1 second, so I couldn't do 5 solves, which is very disappointing, but at least 31 is still a very good time for me. So that's gonna be day 1 of the competition. tomorrow we're gonna have 3x3 and 2x2 second round, and maybe 3x3 semifinals. So now we're gonna go back to the place where we're sleeping tonight. Very good. So now we're gonna go bowling forever. So this is like our first time going to bowling.
Ah, 火鸡呀！怎么都是拜妈祖。
So today is day 2 of the competition. I just finished 3x3 and 2x2 second round. 3x3 I got like a very low 12. I got like a 12.01. I got to the semifinals. I got like 60th. And 2x2 I plus 2 at 2.33. So I almost got a sub 4 average, but I got like a low 4. So I don't think that's gonna go into the finals. So now we're gonna go pray to the god and eat lunch, and we're gonna do 2x3 semifinals. I just finished 3x3 semifinals, and I got a 11.46 average, which is really close to a sub 11. And now we're just going back home, and we're gonna buy something to eat. So that's it for the video. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe. New, make sure to leave a like. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Brian, and we're out. See you next time. Bye.